Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix your BeReal BTS can't add a video. So let's get started. So if you can't add a audio in your BTS BeReal, you have to follow this easy step. So just open your BeReal. Okay. So then here you have to press on here. Take a picture, like take a BeReal. You can take a BeReal of your. Let us see. Just take. So if you take a BeReal of yours like this, as you can see, then you can click on here at the music, then you can connect to your Spotify, and from there you can add it. So by this way you can do it. It's easy way too. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.